I ran into this last week, he as well fixed it for me. If you're looking to switch your phone number from Telus to Rogers, follow these steps to make the process smooth and hassle-free. Step 1. Check eligibility. Before starting the porting process, ensure your number is eligible for transfer. You can do this by contacting Rogers customer service or checking their website. Step 2. Gather information. Collect all necessary information, including your Telus account number, account PIN, and personal details. This information is crucial for verifying your identity during the porting process. Step 3. Visit a Rogers store or website. Go to a Rogers store or their official website to initiate the porting request. If you're at a store, a representative will guide you through the process. If online, follow the prompts to request number porting. Step 4. Confirm the porting request. Once you submit your request, you will receive a confirmation email or message. Make sure to check your Telus account for any notifications as well. Sometimes Telus may send a confirmation that you need to approve. Step 5. Wait for completion. The porting process can take a few hours to a couple of days. During this time, keep both your Telus and Rogers phones handy. If you experience any issues, contact Rogers support for assistance. Switching carriers can be a bit tricky, but following these steps should help you get your number over to Rogers without too much trouble. Good luck with your new service.